Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a brainstorm presentation on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the presentation section next to the social media button and click to the brainstorm presentation option. Here you have more chance. If you want to add a picture to your presentation, go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images, videos or audio file to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find the images and videos from your device. In the elements section you can search different graphic elements, for example stickers, photos, tables, frames and more. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles, layouts and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select a template and step on it. You can edit this template. If you want to change the color of the template, go to the red square icon next to the design section and just select the color and done. If you want to move an element on the presentation, just click that and you can move. If you want to change the text, just click that and write your text. You can edit this text if tap to the arrow next to the barricade button, and here you can find the different font type and text styles. And if you click to the plus or the minus icon, you can edit the size of the text. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.